stuck. I think.
Okay, what town are we in? Holy Mother of Moo Moo.
Got it rolling?
Oh my God! Tell me he got out.
He should have been out.
Just tell me he got out.
Did you have it rolling?
I didn't believe that.
Yes, I had it rolling.
I didn't believe that.
It was like watching
now the train is
TV.
jumping the track. Oh, we better back up on the one.
Oh, is anyone behind us?
Back.
Is anyone?
Behind us now. All right, we're going to have to find an alternate route.
What town are we in? Murr?
Yeah.
Wow. This is October 5th, Sunday. It's 1:09 p.m.
You stay in the truck. Just got to get some pictures, honey.
What?
Oh, we got fume leaks. We got to get out of here. We got fume leaks.
Well, anytime that you're ready.
The curve or something.
Lord. So is the guy dead or did he get out?
I don't think he was in there. Yeah, let's get out of here. They got
Okay, is it,
chemical leak going.
can you turn into a
Well, I can go up here in the corner here. Go get a picture, honey.
honey?
Can't make it corner.
Right here. I can just turn around right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, look at that smoke.
Got it? You filming all that?
I am filming it.
Good boy.
Oh, good Lord. Wow.
Turn around.
Wow, that was